Salam to all, this is FBA Fadime Banu Akbet. Please call me Banu. Let's get to my exclusive weekly technical analysis in order of dollar, Turkish lira, euro dollar, gold, Bitcoin and Ether. The dollar against Turkish lira last week had its high at 1867, then came down, yet closed the week with gain. We said that if it's above 1853.80, it needs to break 1869. Last week's close wasn't higher than the previous week's high, so is this the highlight about the required and kind of happening correction? This week, if it is below 1858-1855 range, it shall break 1841-1839 zone, and it may want to try 1818 and 1816 range. Will the buyers here say enough, or the correction continue towards 1807-18 zone? The strong resistance is at 1866-1869 range. How long the correction will take? The euro against the dollar last week went up, made its high at 1.0482, then came down and closed the week with doji. We were expecting it to try 1.0495, 1.0515 range, and is back down at this range. This week, if it is below 1.03, it may break 1.0278, 1.0228 zone. Here, it may trigger going to 1.0198, 1.0179 range to look for the buyers supported again to turn up. Otherwise, it may want to test one level. Will it turn around 1.0230? The gold last week went up, made its high at 1,787, then came down and closed the week with loss. We were expecting it to try 1,795, 1,802 range, and a spike down at this range. This week, if it is below 1,750, 1,745, it may break 1,736 to visit the buyers at 1,720, 1,714. Here, the buyers may be enough to turn it back up. What we'll see about that. Otherwise, it may want to test 1,700 level. Will it turn around 1,720? The Bitcoin last week had a low at 15,822, then came back to doji formation, and we said that it needs to break 16,244, 15,777 range. This week, if it is below 16,600, 16,556 zone, it may break 15,586, 15,000, which is the last Fibonacci retracement. Then it shall visit the buyers at 13,200, 12,780 range. Will the buyers here be enough to turn up? We'll see about that. The resistance is at 18,190, 18,300 range. What shall happen below 15,000 level? The Ether last week made low at 1,169, then came back to doji formation, and we said it needs to break 1,221, 1,191 range. This week, if it is below 1,200, it shall break 1,155, 1,147 zone, and to try between 1,074, which is the Bollinger Band's low, and 1,050, which is the last Fibonacci retracement. The buyers at this range may not be enough and want to fill the gap between 948, 727, and the strong resistance is at 1,290. Is it heading to fill the gap? Thanks for watching. Let's always watch the premieres on Sundays at midnight all together. Don't forget, I was requested to clarify the basic terms I use on my videos, and they've been already shared on my Instagram stories, and these stories are being saved on my highlights named as term on my profile, so keep up with them. Looking forward for your comments, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and set the reminder for the upcoming. Bye!